Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Before starting the session, I would like to wish you all a very happy Diwali and a prosperous new year. Well, Diwali is everybody's favorite festival, right? We all love to celebrate Diwali. So today in this session, let's talk about Diwali. So here I'm going to tell you how you can speak about Diwali in English in a very organized and interesting way. What all things we should include in our conversation so that it sounds more interesting and more impactful to others and people listen to us. So how do we speak so that people listen to us and they get interested in talking to us? And at the same time, we can sound fluent and confident in speaking in English. So guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Do write your comments in the comments section and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. So let's begin. Let's talk about Diwali today. It is one of our favorite festivals and we love celebrating Diwali, right? We do a lot of things during Diwali, or we do a lot of preparations also for Diwali. Let's talk about it in detail in a well organized manner, right? So it is a practice session basically. So if you start speaking like this in an organized manner, what all things you do during Diwali, how to talk about it, how to present it, how to make it more interesting, more impactful, it will help you to start speaking in the same way on other topics as well, right? So let's do it. So we'll divide this topic into 3 parts. Okay, the first part will be an introduction part. The second part will be why and how we celebrate Diwali. And the last part will be my thoughts about why I love celebrating Diwali. Okay, so these are the 3 parts we are going to talk about. The first one will be a general introduction. The second part will be why and how Diwali is celebrated. And the third part will be why I love celebrating Diwali, which is my thoughts on this festival or this occasion. Okay, let's start with the first part, which is a general introduction. So, what is a general introduction? A general introduction is just like we're just talking about Diwali in general. Like this year, Diwali is on Monday. I am eagerly waiting for Diwali to come. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 3 days are going to be fun. We are going to enjoy this festival. I love celebrating this festival, and the best part is we have holidays also during Diwali. We do a lot of preparations for Diwali so that we can enjoy this festival to the fullest. Okay, so this is how we can talk about the introduction. We can just introduce the topic. Like in general, when is Diwali? When are you going to celebrate it? Are you happy or excited about it or not? What preparations have you done? So in brief, in short, you can just talk about the entire thing in general. This is the introduction part. Now coming to the second part, why and how Diwali is celebrated. First, let's take why. Diwali is a festival of lights and it symbolizes victory of light over darkness and knowledge over ignorance. This is the main lesson we learn from Diwali, or this is why Diwali is celebrated. Okay, the other thing what we do is we light lamps, right? Diyas, candles, lamps, we do light our homes with, right? So it also symbolizes cleansing ourselves from negativity and embracing inner light, knowledge and positivity. So this is what we learn from Diwali. And of course it has religious significance also, which you can also add and talk about. Okay, so this is why Diwali is celebrated. Okay, now coming to the next part is How do we celebrate Diwali? Right? So we can start saying that Diwali is a new beginning. So we clean our houses, we buy new clothes, we exchange sweets and gifts with people to celebrate this festival. So basically the preparation starts much ahead of Diwali. We go and shop for new clothes, we go and shop for decoration, right? Candles, diyas, and a lot of decoration items to decorate our house with. We buy gifts and sweets for our friends and relatives to exchange or to give them, right? And we make a lot of snacks and food also to serve everyone, whoever comes and visits us, or wherever we go and eat. So everybody prepares Diwali snacks and good food to enjoy the whole time. And I think that is why Diwali is very special. Apart from this, we also burn firecrackers, but I would not recommend here because it causes a lot of pollution. So see if you can get some eco-friendly firecrackers and you can burst that or you can enjoy that, which is absolutely fine. So that is also a part of Diwali celebration. We do burn firecrackers to make it memorable. But if we use eco-friendly firecrackers, that will be good for all of us, right? But Diwali is an occasion where we get to meet our friends and relatives also. Our life is very busy. We don't get to meet people very often or every now and then. Very often or every now and then. So Diwali is an occasion where we do meet our relatives, friends and everybody, our neighbors also. We greet everyone, we wish everyone, we go to their places, they come to our places. So this is such a nice occasion where families and friends also come together. They celebrate together, they eat together and they enjoy together. So this is how we celebrate Diwali. Okay, you can talk about what do you do on the day of Diwali, how you decorate your house, when did you start doing it, what else do you do, what is your ritual. You can just talk about it. I'm just talking about in general because everybody has different rituals, right? Everybody follows things differently. So here you can talk about that as well. Okay, you can include those things in this. Now coming to the last part, why I love celebrating Diwali. So let's talk about it. I love Diwali because there are lots of things to do. I love decorating my house. So every time when Diwali is round the corner, I go and look for new candles, new diyas, new lights to decorate my house. So that is a big task for me. I come up with very creative ideas. I try to come up with creative ideas so that I can decorate my house differently this time. So every time this is my goal that I am going to decorate my house differently. So I search for a lot of stuffs, I buy them and then I start decorating it. Okay, of course cleaning is also a part of Diwali celebration. So we clean our house, our rooms, etc. And then the next thing is buying new clothes. Again, that is also another thing which I always have in mind because I want to look fashionable, yet I want to look comfortable. So that is my criteria. I want to look fashionable also, but it should be comfortable as well. So I have to search a lot. I have to see what is in trend and then accordingly I decide and go and buy my dress. That is also very time taking. So these two things are very time taking. And once everything is done before Diwali, a day before Diwali or on the day of Diwali, I start decorating my house. And I love decorating it with flowers as well. So I get fresh flowers and I decorate my house with flowers as well. And of course, food is also a big part of our celebration in every household, right? So we do cook a lot of delicacies during Diwali and we enjoy that with family and friends. So that is why I love this festival. We all collect together, we all eat, we all exchange gifts, and gifts are also very important. We do think about what are we going to gift this Diwali to everyone, starting from our house help to our friends and relatives. We do plan it, right? So that is another thing we have to plan beforehand. So I do take time to select the gifts also, what we are going to give to everyone this time as well. So that is also something which needs planning, but I really enjoy all these things. and I do it with passion. So that is why I feel Diwali is a festival which brings happiness and smile on every face. And that is why I love celebrating this festival. So guys, this is how we can talk about Diwali, right? It's very simple. We all know everything about it. We all know stories behind it. We all know why we celebrate Diwali, right? It's not a big deal. So we can just start talking about it. If you have any memories related to Diwali which you want to talk about here right now, you can just include that also. Why you love Diwali, you can just include one story, one incident which is related to Diwali. You can just talk about it, right? For example, I forgot to include that, but I want to include this also here. One incident of my life which I want to include here is when I was in college, I celebrated Diwali with my friend's family. I went to Banaras and I celebrated Diwali with my friend's family. And that was absolutely wonderful. And I really had a great time there. I enjoyed all the rituals, I enjoyed the celebration, I enjoyed the food, and it was really memorable for me. I still remember that day and I feel so happy about it that I got a chance to celebrate it with my friend's family. So this is one incident I can never forget which is related to Diwali. So in the same way, you can also talk about how differently you have celebrated Diwali, right? We do think about what differently we can do this Diwali, right? We do think about it. So you can just include that also and you can talk about it so as to make it more interesting for people who are listening to you. Okay. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and happy Diwali. Stay safe.